Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making chicken curry. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cut half a carrot into chunky, diagonal pieces, slice 20 grams of onions, and slice 20 grams of ginger. Then cube one potato, and cut half a chicken into bite-sized pieces. Set these aside. Now, bring 500 milliliters of water to a boil. Add the chicken pieces along with the ginger slices and 20 milliliters of cooking wine. Let it cook until the chicken turns pale, then drain and set aside. Heat up your wok or large pan with some oil. Toss in those onion slices and give them a quick stir fry for a few seconds. Add the potato and carrot chunks and stir fry until they're fragrant. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Next up, add the ginger and chicken pieces back to the pan and stir fry until evenly cooked. Now here comes the good part. Add 30 grams of curry fried with oil, 10 milliliters of cooking wine, and 5 milliliters of dark soy sauce for flavor. Throw those vegetables back in and give everything a good stir. Pour in 500 milliliters of water. You want just enough to barely cover all the ingredients. Season with 3 grams salt and 5 grams of sugar. Cover and let it simmer until the chicken is completely cooked through. For the finishing touch, pour in 20 milliliters of milk and stir well. Finally, thicken the sauce with a little cornstarch slurry. And you're done. This amazing curry chicken is ready to serve. Friends, you must try our chicken curry. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.